In this video, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 DirectX Crash Error. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, go to Taskbar at the bottom right-click on the NVIDIA icon and open NVIDIA app. Go to Drivers tab and check if you have the latest driver installed. If an update is available, install it. If your driver is already up to date, try reinstalling it. Restart your PC and launch the game again to check if the issue is fixed. If you are using AMD GPU, right-click on your desktop and open AMD Radeon software or Adrenaline software. Click Check for updates. If an update is available, click Download updates. Wait for the installation to complete. The fix too should be manually install DirectX. Open your browser and search for DirectX download. Click on the first link from Microsoft's official website. Download the latest DirectX version. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the setup instructions. Restart your PC and launch the game to see if the problem is resolved. If it's not helped, then there's a fix tree which is adjust VRM scale target. Open Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and go to Graphics Settings. Navigate to the Quality section. Look for the option called VRAM Scale Target. If it's set to 61 or higher, lower it to 60. Try launching the game again and see if the error is fixed. If it works, you can adjust the number later for better performance. And that's how you fix the DirectX Crash Error in Black Ops 6. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.